this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Ultra. I just got it the other day, and I don't want this to get scratched up or cracked because it's mostly pristine, even though it's secondhand. I've ordered a case from online after looking at a bunch of different reviews, and what I've decided on is a case by a company called Dexnor, and it basically turns my phone into a tough phone. So there's two parts to the Dexnor case. There's this plastic back bit, and it's got rubber on the outside, and then there's this sort of plasticky glass bit, and that covers up the screen. So I'll install it now. Okay. Alright, so first I put the phone into the glass bit. Apologies for the bad video. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay, hopefully this will all snap into place easy. Okay, now we have the phone fully surrounded in its Dexnor Tough case. Now, going by the feel of this case, I think that this would have no problems surviving a drop. It's not going to get scratches being in my gym bag or my pocket near my keys. And there's some great features on this. So you can see there's cutouts for the cameras, and there's this. So this is a stand. So now the phone can stand up like this, or it can stand up like this. So yeah, I really recommend the Dexnor case, Dexnor Protection, and I think I've found a permanent solution for my constant smashing of phones.